Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare the very traditional Thanni Kozhukattai. These are salted rice dumplings boiled in water and then tempered with jeera and pepper, typically had along with idli podi by the side. This is a very healthy food, traditionally had as a light breakfast or dinner. The boiled dumplings along with the starch water effectively treats cough and cold. To prepare this, take 1 cup of idli rice, wash well and soak in water for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the rice is well soaked. Grind them to a smooth batter with very little water. It is a little runny batter right now. First add 1 tablespoon store-bought rice powder and mix. Then if required, add more rice powder and also 1 teaspoon salt and mix to a tight, smooth and non-sticky batter. Take a small gooseberry-sized ball, roll and make desired shape of dumplings. And air dry just for 5 minutes, not more. In a big cooking vessel, add 6 cups of water. Let it boil well and cook in high flame throughout. Add the first batch of rice dumplings, one by one, without overcrowding them. The boiled dumplings will float to the top. Give a gentle mix. Add the next batch of dumplings. New batch will sink to the bottom, old batch will float to the top. This way the dumplings won't stick to each other. Continue this process for the rest of dumplings. Give a gentle mix when it boils. All the rice dumplings are now added and the water is boiling well. Now reduce flame to simmer and cook partially covered for 10 minutes. During this time, prepare tempering with ghee, jeera, ground pepper powder, hing and curry leaves. Check the dumplings after 10 minutes of simmer. The rice dumplings are well cooked inside. Separate the dumplings from the boiled water. Add the prepared tempering to both the starch water and the dumplings. Mix well. The tempered rice dumplings and the starch water is now ready. Do prepare this in your homes and introduce this traditional healthy food to your family and especially to your kids. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.